So this is Dan of Vagabond Awake.
𝐷 from Purple Venture. Welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, where were you? So we're in Playa Huatulco in Huatulco, and it's a beautiful beach. There's beautiful sand and ocean.
Yes.
We're here at sunset, so we don't have to worry about wearing suntan lotion.
Yeah.
Very warm sun here. You want to keep your sunblock on.
Yeah.
Anyway, look at this place. The water's calm because we're in a bay, a protected bay, no wind, no waves. It's very beautiful.
Yeah. And that side is Santa Cruz over there. It's like a love ship. Because in Portugal they have a lot of love ships. The bay, they are, like all
heart shape.
Heart shape, yeah. So yeah.
And today we're celebrating. I've just finished lesson 9 of the Hobby Income course. It's free to paid subscribers. Just as a bonus, thank you for helping us with our business and having it grow where our income exceeds our expenses. And we travel now around and don't worry about jobs, so we love it. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
And it's all there, everything you need to know to do it. The Hobby Income course, check it out. Just come to Vagabond Buddha, look at the top where it says courses, click that button and you'll see Hobby Income course. Thanks for helping us.
Thank you so much, and wish you have a great day.
Yeah. There's no need to take notes. At the end of this video, we'll give you a Google map with a link to all of our favorite beaches in Huatulco, Mexico. But in Mexico, it's not unusual for people to bring their own food to the beach and rent the table. I know that sounds surprising, and it's pretty cheap. And it varies per beach, and but on the sand's owned by the people. They don't have as many private beaches in Mexico as they have in other parts of the world, so the beach is available for everybody to use. There are exceptions around Mexico, but that's a general rule. Ouch! So this beach is Playa Santa Cruz. This is the most populated beach near Huatulco because it has many restaurants. It is closer to both La Cruceta and more hotels. It's the largest ship harbor, and it's where the large cruise ships dock. For that reason, it's the best place to people watch and appreciate both Mexican culture and wide-eyed foreign tourist visitors. This beach is also on the Bay Tour, league provided. You can bring your own food and drink on this beach. We always walk to this beach, but a taxi is just 35 pesos each way, or $1.75. It's a real estate office. Playa Santa Cruz is also the beach in front of the Plaza Center where they have the organic market in Santa Cruz, and we have a link to that tour also below. This is Playa Huatulco in Huatulco. It's fairly quiet in terms of the number of people here. It's not too crowded. And the water's beautiful. The sand's it's a little bigger than powder. It's like little tiny rocks. But it's beautiful color. A lot of, not many vendors here, very private. So
Feels good. And there's police presence up on the podium up there, so thought it might be a lifeguard, but I saw a gun and so it's not a lifeguard. This is Dan of Vagabond Awake. Please like this video, comment, or subscribe. Any of that would help our business. We'd sure appreciate it. Thanks so much. So this is Playa Huatulco in Huatulco. It's actually in the middle of a national park. There's 8 bays or 9 bays in the national park. And this is one you can get to by car. And so there's a lot of restaurants and parking, and you can get a taxi here from La Crucieta or the central part of Huatulco for 70 pesos, which isn't much. What is that? $3.50. And there's enough taxis where you don't have to worry about getting a taxi when you leave, so it's a very convenient beach to come to. And there's a lot of restaurants that you can eat at here. And yet it's a very quaint beach. It has nice sand and pretty water. And it's very clean. So it's on the Huatulco 7-bay tour that we take you on. And you can get a private boat and take that tour. And I talk about all that in the 7 bays tour. And you can click the link below this video and you'll find the webpage, which will have all the tours, places we ate, where we stayed, everything about Huatulco. Anyway, check this out. I like how the music isn't just blaring out of every one of these restaurants. The ocean is still the predominant sound, which is nice. And where I am now, this is La Bocana Beach. This is a small beach community, just about 8 miles from Huatulco. It's become known as a surfing spot, and the waves are kind of moderate today. But this is the surfing spot if you're in Huatulco, where you come. And they have mud baths here on the beach, which for 150 pesos, which is like $7.50. When you arrive at La Bocana Beach, again, there's map links for all this. You'll arrive in that area over there, which I was just showing you a moment ago. But if you walk to the left, you'll see there's a very deserted, rugged area with these lean-tos. But I don't see any people, but I'm gonna go walk over and check it out. And look what some people are, they're making these lean-tos out of them. Just to get some shade on the beach. Anyway, very rugged, very private. If this is your thing, this beach is a natural for you. And then of course you have the very expensive homes up on the mountain there. Anyway, time to walk back and see what 𝐂𝐻𝐲 is up to. 𝐂𝐻𝐲, we're gonna get her a mud bath so we can tell you about that too.
It's very nice. It's like a scrub on your body. She not just put it on, she just, rub it again, so the body will be soft. She massage. Just put this on my body. Yes, thank you.
these boat tours go to San Agustin, Playa San Agustin. That's where we are here.
Yeah.
They have food and restaurants and everything.
On the menu.
That's
Okay.
it.
It's okay. Oh, we are in San Agustin Bay.
Yeah, check it out.
Very nice.
We'll give you the 360.
So far the sun. Oh, very good.
Thanks for watching our video. Click the link in the notes below this video to get a copy of this content. Plus, grab a free copy of my ebook, How I Fired My Boss and Traveled the World for 13 Years. While you're there, check out our catalog of retired cheap reports all over the world and our hobby income course that we just released. Thanks so much.
If you're like me, you probably thought you'd have 3 or 4 times as much money when it came time to retirement. But the good news is I've been traveling all over the world for 13 years and there's lots of places where you can retire on much less than you were probably planning. Check this out. If this looks fun to you, click the link in the notes below this YouTube video. Come check out all the retired cheap reports we have all over the world. Thanks for watching.